Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that is essential for any organization to thrive: the management. Specifically, we'll look at the management process, management theories, and management approaches. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or a team leader, understanding these concepts will give you a strong foundation in managing people, resources, and tasks effectively. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the management process. At its core, management is about coordinating and overseeing the activities of an organization to achieve its goals. The management process involves 4 key functions that are essential for any organization to succeed. These functions are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Each plays a crucial role in achieving the organization's objectives. They work together to achieve goals by ensuring that every aspect of the project is covered. Planning is the first step. It involves setting clear objectives and goals for the team to follow. It also means defining strategies to reach those objectives effectively and efficiently. Managers create detailed roadmaps during the planning stage. Organizing is the next critical function. This involves allocating resources wisely. It also includes assigning specific tasks to team members based on their skills and expertise. Organizing creates structure and order within a team, ensuring that everyone knows their responsibilities. Leading involves guiding and motivating people. Effective leaders communicate clearly and inspire their teams. They inspire their teams to perform at their best, fostering a positive and productive work environment. Controlling is the final function in the management process. This is about monitoring progress and ensuring that the project stays on course. It also involves making necessary adjustments to plans and strategies as needed. Controlling ensures that everything stays on track, meeting deadlines and achieving the desired outcomes. But now let's take a look at management theories. Over the years, different scholars and experts have developed theories to explain how management works. Here are 3. Scientific management theory, human relations theory, and contingency theory. Scientific management focuses on efficiency. It emphasizes task specialization. Developed by Frederick Taylor, this theory suggests that there is one best way to do each task and that managers should use scientific methods to find it. Human relations theory. Proposed by Elton Mayo, human relations theory highlights the importance of people. It recognizes the impact of social factors on productivity. This theory values employee motivation and satisfaction. It highlights that satisfied workers are more productive, which shifts the focus from strict efficiency to creating a positive workplace culture. Contingency theory. This theory, led by Fiedler and others, argues that there is no one best way to manage. Instead, the best way to manage depends on various factors like the nature of the task, the people involved, and the best approach depends on the situation. This theory emphasizes flexibility and adaptability. Now let's move on to management approaches. Management approaches are practical applications of theories that have been developed over time. They provide essential guidelines for managers to follow in order to achieve organizational goals. Different approaches suit different situations, making it crucial to choose the right one. This refers to the different ways that managers can apply their knowledge to run an organization. Some of the major approaches include classical approach, behavioral approach, systems approach, contingency approach. The classical approach emphasizes structure and control, focusing on a well-defined hierarchy. It focuses on efficiency and clear lines of authority, ensuring that tasks are completed systematically. This approach is often used in bureaucratic organizations where rules and procedures are strictly followed. Number 2, the behavioral approach emphasizes human behavior and the importance of understanding employee needs. It recognizes the importance of motivation and communication in fostering a productive work environment. This approach aims to create a positive work environment where employees feel valued and motivated. The systems approach views organizations as complex systems with many interconnected parts. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of different parts, ensuring that all departments work together harmoniously. This approach focuses on the big picture, considering the organization as a whole rather than in isolated parts. Last, the contingency approach emphasizes flexibility and the need to adapt to changing circumstances. It suggests adjusting management style based on the situation, making it highly adaptable. This approach is particularly useful in dynamic and unpredictable environments where change is constant. To wrap up, management is an ever-evolving field, and understanding the process, theories, and approaches will help you become a more effective leader. Whether you're in charge of a small team or an entire organization, the key is to balance these concepts and adapt to the needs of your environment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on leadership and management. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.